In this tutorial, I'll show you how to split any image into a giant printable poster. By the end, you'll have your image divided into clean, evenly sized sections that you can download, print, and assemble into a large poster using Canva. First, open Canva. If you're using a browser, go to canva.com and sign in so you can save your work. Next, click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. This opens a box where you'll set up the overall size of your poster. Enter a large poster size, for example, 3000 by 2000 pixels. You can type those numbers into the width and height fields. Choose the orientation that best matches your image by swapping the numbers if needed. Then create the design. Upload your image using Uploads. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your image from your computer. You'll see it appear in the Uploads panel. Drag the image to fill the entire canvas. Click and drag it in from the sidebar, then pull the corners until it reaches every edge. Make sure there are no white gaps on the sides. If the image snaps into place, that's fine. You want full coverage so your poster sections join cleanly later. Click File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides. You should now see rulers along the top and left edges of the canvas. Add guides to divide the design into equal sections. Click and drag from the top ruler to drop horizontal guides, and from the left ruler to drop vertical guides. Place them where you want the splits between poster pages. For example, if you plan to print a 3x2 poster grid, add 2 evenly spaced vertical guides and 1 horizontal guide halfway down. The guides are only visual helpers. They won't print, and they'll make alignment much easier. Duplicate the page for each poster section. At the top of the page, click the duplicate page icon until you have one page for every section you plan to print. Using the same example, a 3x2 grid needs 6 pages, so duplicate until you have 6 identical pages. On each page, crop or position the image to show only one section. Start on page 1. Double-click the image to enter crop mode, or click the crop option if you see it. Use the handles to crop to the first section, using your guides as edges. You're not changing the original image, you're just choosing which part is visible on this page. When it matches the first section, click Done or click Outside to apply. Move to page 2 and repeat. Is sliding or cropping the image so only the next section is visible within the page. Continue this for every page, one section per page, until each page shows a different part of the image, with the guides acting as your boundaries. Take a moment to check edges line up correctly between neighboring pages. This helps the final poster assemble cleanly. Click Share, then Download. This opens the Download panel. Select PDF Print. This format keeps the image quality high for printing and preserves each page as a separate sheet. Confirm the page range includes all the pages you created, then download the file to your computer. Print each page and assemble the poster. Lay the printed sheets out in order, trim the overlapping edges if needed, align the image across the seams using your guide edges as references, and tape or glue the pages together to form your giant printable poster. At this point, your image is successfully split into multiple pages, downloaded as a high-quality PDF, and ready to print and assemble into a giant poster. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.